Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can create an account within Spocket. So the steps are pretty simple. First of all, you need to go to their website and click on get started. Once you have done that, what you will be doing next is pretty simple. You either will click here on sign up, which will take you to a page where you can put the email address in the name. So for example, here something like this and a name like that, and then click on sign up. Or you can, as in my case, it's taken. Let me try another mail. Let's try something. Okay, let's see if this one is working. All right, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is to use this one. Here we go. And I'm going to paste it and sign up. Once I have done that, they will be taking me to another page where I'm going to actually fill a couple of things. I'm going to no continue without it, answer these questions, and once I've done that, I'm going to pay the subscription. Yes, you do have to pay subscription in order to use it, or you can use only the free trial, which in both ways requires you to add your credit card slash debit card, depending on which one you have. You can either use, of course, Cash Pay, or Cash App Pay, or Google Pay. Depends on which method you would like to be using. So in this case, you simply have to put here a code, claim your trial. In case you haven't liked this platform, you can easily quit it or basically delete your account. We have made a video about that right before this one, so you can check it out in our channel. Also guys, if you don't want to put your email like that, you can simply just get started and click login using Google, which as you can see here, or Facebook, which simplifies the process. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.